In this video, I'm going to talk about useful math functions in PHP that you need to know. Without further ado, let us get started. I start with power function, which is the POW power. It increase a value to the power of something. For example, we have 2 to the power of 5, which makes 32. Next, we have the random function. This random function will generate different results based on the values you are giving. For example, I'm giving 1 to 5, so it will create random values between 1 to 5. Now it's 3. If I refresh this page, it will give me a different number. Now it's 5. If I refresh again, as you can see, it will give me 4. So any number between 1 to 5, or you can specify any number between any numbers that you want. You're giving a starting point and giving an ending number, so it will generate a random number between these two numbers. Next, we have the sqrt, which give the square of this number. For example, this is 9. If we give the square of this value, which is 3. So as you can see here, it's showing 3. Another useful function is round function. As we know, round function works like if a number is if a number is a decimal number, then it is, for example, 0.5, then it will round to the next number. If it is less than 0.5, it will round to the number near that, less than that one. For example, if this is 4.4, it will round to 4. If it is more than 4.5, then it will round to the next number, which is 5. Another function that we have is ceil function. Ceil function will take number to the next level, whatever it is. For example, if I give any number, it will, if any decimal number, for example 4.1 or 4.2 or any number, or 4.6, it will take us to the next number. For example, here 4.6 have become 5. And another number that works a little bit different, or in contrast to the ceil, which is the floor, it take any decimal number and remove the decimal point. For example, here we have 4.6. As you can see, it shows 4. If I give 2, the result doesn't change. And for the ceil also, it is the same. For example, if I give it 3, it doesn't matter. But for the random, for the round number, if I give 4.4, as you can see, it's become 4. So these 3 functions are very common functions that are used. There are other functions that you may want to use. Just go to this address here, or just go to php.net, and from here search for function. There are many different functions. For example, if you were looking for absolute values, or if you're looking for the tangent, cotangent, or many other functions, as you might see. So here we saw these functions like square root, which bring the square root number of a number and around, and we have seen a couple of these functions in this video. Thank you for watching.